So question 12 continues again with the metric system. It says change basically 304 centimeters to hectometers. So again, to do this, I use the phrase King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. I know K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, D stands for deca, and then this is the units place, so there's no prefix. So in this case, we're talking meters. And then we have deci, centi, and milli. So if we put this all together, this is kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, and a millimeter. So what they're asking is 304 centimeters is going to represent how many hectometers? So notice that centimeters would be over here. We're in this spot. So what I want to do is move from centimeters to hectometers. So if I count that over, we're going to be here. So we start here and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little loops there, if you will. So we have to move to decimeters, we have to move to meters, we have to move to decameters, and then we move to hectometers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 places over. So what this tells me to do is when I write down the 304 centimeters, the direction tells me how to move the decimal. So the decimal's on the end, and I have to move it 4 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I also have to use a placeholder. So 0 is the placeholder. So that's going to be 0.0304 hectometers. So 304 centimeters would be the same thing as 0.0304 hectometers. So a hectometer is actually a pretty big unit of measurement. Like I said, a hectometer was 100 meters. So, and again, it takes 100 centimeters just to get to this spot. So that's a lot going on there. So again, the easiest way again is we can use the concept of base 10, which means, here we're essentially going to be dividing by 10,000, if you will. And that's why we end up with this 0.0304, because if you're dividing by 10,000, that's going to move the decimal 10 places to the left. So that's kind of what we're picking up on, just using the King Henry strategy.